Okay, this video right here basically has zero to do with adventures, but kind of in a way maybe it does. This time of year, our town has what they call a fair. Well, what they call a fair. Come on, Mike, get with it. They have a fair. Last year, they wasn't able to do the fair because of COVID. This year, oh my Lord. And every year when the fair comes, people get a little bit weary. And our town gets blooming. Oh my God. Right now, we're going to drive through town, which would be a big mistake probably, but we're going to do it anyway. Not the fair's going on, the parade's going on. Probably over about 6,000 people down there. I may be estimating wrong. But anyway, guys, I'm the only one, well, very few people like me in my town that does not care for the fair. And this time of year, come again?
I don't like the fair.
You used to.
Long.
So you don't count. Just saying. But the funny thing about it is, I feel like the eyeball around here every year at this time because, boy, this fair brings them out. And people love the fair. So let's get some footage as much as I can. I ain't going to be able to go through the fair itself. I'm going to be able to go through the outskirts, but you will see the peoples. And this may be the biggest mistake I've ever done because it is going to be a nightmare driving through there. At least I'm thinking it will be. Then I will get some closing thoughts. And the reason I'm making this type of video today, I want to see if there's more people out there like me that doesn't care for the fair. Yes, honey.
You used to go to the fair too.
That is true.
Which means you liked it as well.
I will get into that when we get back. Okay, I did what I could to get the traffic and the peoples, and yeah, you can only see so much with the GoPro in the windshield. I don't even know if I'm going to even air this video, to be honest with you. It's just the point of this whole video is some people are totally in love with fairs. Well, totally, let me phrase that. They really love the fair. Me, I'm not one of them. I liked them as a younger guy. I loved them as a kid, but now I don't like them. And one of the reasons I don't like them is too many damn people. And when the fair's here in our town, you can even tell how the people act differently too. They, when the fair is being released, and on the way back it was being released, tons of people walk out right in front of moving vehicles. It's like they're in a daze. I don't know. Actually, I do know. I also don't like it going to places where you have a carny or somebody like, here, try your look at this, try your look at that. And they do everything to get you to go over there. And even if it's like, no thank you, they kind of get rude. That's happened a few times. And not to mention, I don't really trust the rides at fairs, because when I was a younger man, I was in a town called Dillsboro, and we was on the Ferris wheel, and it fell apart on us in midair. They had to stop the ride, and we had to climb down like monkeys. Yeah. Now I can tell you right now, all the stuff they put up for fairs, all the rides are put up in record time. They have a time limit to do this. And I know that firsthand, because I've actually helped them do this. For some extra money, that's one of the good things about the fair. For years, for a little bit of extra bucks, I used to help set up, put the rides up, and take them down. And you have a certain amount of time to get that ride up. Of course, it does go through all the safety checks and stuff like that. And I'm always going to be different than most people, because some people absolutely love the fair. Children do. And yes, some of the booths are kind of cool to go to. In little towns like mine, it gives something to, it gives the people something to do. It does. Me and my wife now, and maybe a small handful of people like us, I have no use for it. I'm happy the day it leaves. Well, guys, that's been it. I don't know if I will air this video. I don't know. It might be on a back burner as one of them special videos. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this video. If you see it, you know I aired it. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. I'm going inside and get some fishing gear ready. I'm going fishing. That's right, when the fair's in town, I'm going fishing.